This is a rare opportunity for Alberta to build a modern, professional police service from the ground up.
Alberta has a new police chief. Sat Parhar, a former deputy chief in Calgary, will lead a new provincial force. The government has two names for it, announcing Wednesday that the independent agency police service will eventually become the Alberta Sheriffs Police Service.
It's not meant to replace the RCMP or any other police service. It will work alongside existing branches of law enforcement to fill gaps and ensure that resources are used efficiently.
But the government is not ruling out the possibility of the ASPS taking over from Mounties when the Alberta RCMP contract expires in 2032.
It would be negligent, of course, on my part if we did not explore an alternative to the RCMP.
Mike Ellis then repeated his claim that the RCMP is not hiring enough officers to keep Albertans safe.
This is not about a lack of money being provided to the RCMP. This is simply about writing. This is simply not about writing a blank check to the RCMP. Current vacancy rates are nearly 20% right across the province.
The RCMP disputes those numbers. The NDP alleges the government is forcing a provincial police service on Albertans, the majority of whom they say do not want that.
This is a government that has a one-track mind. They're only interested in doing things that advance their interests, building their power, and building their influence, unfortunately, currently through stoking separatism.
The problem is Ottawa.
The ongoing Alberta Next panel survey includes a question on replacing the RCMP, but this political scientist wonders why, saying the government is clearly in the process of doing it anyway.
We've already seen the expansion of sheriffs occurring, whether that's along the border or in the cities. We saw the Alberta government provide funding for Grand Prairie to get rid of the RCMP.
The government did not provide an updated figure for how much all of this will cost Albertans by broadcast deadline, but a 2021 report commissioned by the government said transitioning to provincial police will cost more than $350 million and will put millions more in subsidies from Ottawa at risk. From Edmonton, Sean Amato, City News.